Hello everyone, welcome to Maths Meeting Kids. My today's video will be very beneficial for you because I am going to cover a broader topic today, which is factors and multiples, especially for my students who insisted me to upload the video. So after watching my video, you would be able to differentiate between factors and multiples, and you would know what are natural numbers and whole numbers. What's the difference between even and odd numbers? What are prime and composite numbers? And what are twin primes and prime triplets? And you would also be able to divide numbers without actual division process. I will tell you the tricks how you can recognize that whole figure is divisible by any number or not. Means you will know the tricks, and after knowing the tricks you don't need to do a long division process. So students, these are the topics which I am going to cover in my today's video. Now let's start our first topic, factors and multiples. Before starting further, let's see whether they have relation with each other or not. Some of the students mix up these two. They think that factors and multiples are same. But students, factors and multiples are two different things, but they both involve multiplication in it. It means फैक्टर फाइंड करने में मल्टीपल्स का यूज़ होता है और मल्टीपल्स फाइंड करने के लिए भी हमें मल्टीप्लिकेशन का यूज़ करना होता है, बट दोनों में अलग तरह से मल्टीप्लिकेशन का यूज़ होता है. पहले हम देखते हैं कि फैक्टर्स एंड मल्टीपल्स होते क्या हैं. सो हियर इज द डेफिनेशन ऑफ फैक्टर्स. फैक्टर्स आर व्हाट वी कैन मल्टीप्लाई टू गेट एनी नंबर. मीन्स जिन नंबर्स को मल्टीप्लाई करने के बाद हमें कुछ आंसर मिले उन नंबर्स को फैक्टर्स कहते हैं. दिस विल बी more clear to you with the help of an example. Let's suppose 15 is a number and we have to find out its factors. So students, we all know this, that if we multiply number 5 with 3, we would have our answer as 15. What does it mean? It means अगर हमें किसी नंबर्स के फैक्टर्स फाइंड करने हैं तो हमें ऐसे नंबर्स फाइंड करने होंगे जिनको मल्टीप्लाई करने से हमारा क्वेश्चन वाला नंबर मिल जाए. हियर यू कैन सी वी हैव फाउंड 5 and 3 and after multiplication of 5 and 3 our answer is 15, which was our question, and we have to find out the factors of 15. This will be more clear to you with the help of my second example. If 20 is a number and we have to find out the factors of 20, so what we will do, we will find out the numbers whose product is equals to 20. क्या करना होगा हमें ऐसे नंबर्स फाइंड करने हैं जिनको मल्टीप्लाई करने के बाद हमारा आंसर 20 है. सो स्टूडेंट्स, वी नो इफ वी मल्टीप्लाई 5 with 4 our answer is equals to 20. What does it mean? It means 5 and 4 are the factors of 20. Now let's discuss what are multiples. Obviously multiplication is involved in this. So multiples are what we get after multiplying the number by an integer. The answer is called multiple, which we get by multiplying any number by an integer. दो नंबर्स को मल्टीप्लाई करने के बाद जो आंसर हमें हासिल होता है उसे हम मल्टीपल्स कहते हैं. Now this will be more understandable for you with the help of this example. Let's suppose we have 15 and we have to find out the multiples of 15. What we will do? We will multiply 15 with the natural numbers. Here in my definition the word integer is used. Integer are the numbers with any sign, that is positive or negative sign. So for finding out the multiples of 15, we will read the table of 15. 15, 1 times 15 is 15, 2 times 15 is 30, and 3 times 15 is 45, 4 times 15 is 60, then 75, and then 90, and goes on. There is no limit. These are the multiples of 15. What were the factors of 15? Factors were 5 and 3. Now, this example will elaborate your concept well. The product of 5 and 4 is 20. If we discuss each number, what does it mean? It means 5 and 4 are the factors of 20. And what is 20? 20 is the multiple of 5 and 4. Now, if we have number 10 and we have to find out the factors and multiples of 10, so here are the multiples of 10. 10, 20, 30, 40 and so on are the multiples of 10. And if we have to find out the factors of 10, we will find out the numbers whose multiplication is equals to 10. Here are the factors of 10. 5 and 2 and 10 and 1 are the factors of 10. Now, after explanation of factors and multiples, here is the second topic, natural and whole numbers. Most of the times, the students forget the difference between natural and whole numbers. So students, the difference is just 0. Yes, really, only 0 is the difference. Here you can see these all are the natural numbers starting from 1 and goes on. If I add just 0 in this line series, now this series has become whole number. So you can observe that the difference is just 0. Now students, after knowing what are factors, multiples and what are natural and whole numbers, you are now eligible to give the answers of these statements. First is, every natural number is a multiple of itself. Yes, let's solve this. Yes, it's true because every natural number multiplies itself first. Second is, 1 is a factor of every natural number. Yes, for every natural number, 1 is a factor of itself. See, both the statements are true. Now, let's move further. Here is our next topic, even and odd numbers. First, we will see the definition of both. Then we will do exercise related to this. Let's see what is even number. A number which is exactly divisible by 2. If any number is ending with 0, 2, 4, 6 or 8, though these types of numbers are referred to as even numbers. It means all the even numbers are the multiples of 2. They are divisible by 2 also and they are multiple of 2 also. In contrast with even numbers, odd numbers are just opposite to this. These numbers are not divisible by 2. If any number is ending with 1, 3, 5, 7 or 9, so these types of numbers are referred to as odd numbers. It means these numbers are not divisible by 2 as well as these numbers are not the multiples of 2. If we see any number which is ending on 1, 3, 5, 7 or 9, whether the figure is a long figure with so many digits, so we will refer those types of numbers as odd numbers. After knowing about even and odd numbers, let's check whether these statements are true or false. First one is, the sum of two odd numbers is also odd. Let's check this by adding two odd numbers. 1 and 3 are odd numbers. By addition of 1 and 3, we get the answer as even. This 4 is an even number. Let's check it with the second one. 5 and 3 are odd numbers and the addition of 5 and 3 is an even number, which is 8. It means this statement is not true. Why? Because we have seen here that the addition of two odd numbers is even. So this statement is false. Second one is the sum of two even numbers is also even. It means if we add two even numbers, the answer is also even. Let's see here. If we add 2 and 4, our answer is 6. It means the addition of two even numbers is also even. 6 and 2 are also even numbers, and the addition of these two numbers is 8. So our second statement is true, as we get an even number by addition of two even numbers. Now students, my next topic is prime and composite numbers. The number which is divisible by 1 or itself is called prime number. It means any natural number that has only two factors, 1 and the number itself, is referred to as prime numbers. 2, 3, 5, 7, 9, 11 are some prime numbers. Prime numbers क्या होते हैं? वो numbers जो सिर्फ अपने टेबल में आते हैं. तो उनके फैक्टर्स क्या होंगे? 1 से तो हर नंबर डिवाइड हो जाता है. 1 और वो नंबर अपना खुद अपने टेबल में आता है. सो द फैक्टर्स आर ओनली 1 एंड द नंबर itself. Now let's see what are composite number. Obviously it's opposite to the prime number. So composite number is numbers which have more than one factors. It means वो अपने टेबल में भी आते हैं और किसी और टेबल में से भी डिवाइड हो जाते हैं. Now this explanation will enhance your concept well. Here are some numbers. Let's check either these numbers are prime or composite number. Let's check for 2 first. पहले हम 2 को देख लेते हैं. 2 1 से डिविजिबल है और अपने नंबर में भी आता है, तो इसका मतलब है कि ये 2 से भी डिविजिबल है. 3 को देखते हैं. 3 1 से भी डिविजिबल है और 3 अपने नंबर से भी डिविजिबल है. 4 के लिए अगर हम चेक करें तो 4 1 से डिविजिबल है, 2 से डिविजिबल है और अपने टेबल में भी आता है. 5 सिर्फ 1 से डिविजिबल है और अपने टेबल में मीन्स 5 से भी डिविजिबल है. 6 को अगर हम चेक करें तो 6 1 से डिविजिबल है, 6 2 से भी डिविजिबल है, 3 से भी डिविजिबल है और ये अपने टेबल में भी आता है. इट मीन्स 6 से भी डिविजिबल है. एक्चुअली ये जो हमने फाइंड आउट किए ये है क्या? ये सब फैक्टर्स हैं. 2 के फैक्टर्स क्या हुए? 1 and 2. 3 के फैक्टर्स हुए 1 and 3. What was our definition? Our definition was prime numbers are the numbers which has only two factors. It means 2 is a prime number. 3 has two factors. It means 3 is also the prime number. Now 4 has more than two factors. It means this number is composite number. Let's see 5. 5 has only two factors. It means it's also a prime number. For number 6, it has more than two factors, so it's not a prime number, it's composite number. I have left here 1, so the question may appear in your mind that where is 1? Either it's prime number or composite number. So students, if I take out the factors of number 1, it's divisible by its own table. So it has only one factor. And our definition was, for prime numbers, our definition was a number which has only two factors are the prime numbers. So it's not a prime number nor a composite number. Now for your better understanding, I want to show you here the classification of number. If I say every natural number can either be even or odd, yes, it means every natural number can be even or odd number. And if I say a statement like this, every natural number can either be prime number or composite number. So students, you have to give me the answer. Is it a true statement or not? That every natural number can either be prime or composite. Yes, of course not. Why? Because I have explained we have only one. One is a number which is not a prime number nor a composite number. So we should say the statement like this: every natural number except one can be prime or composite number. Now this is the most interesting topic of the entire video. Now students, we will learn what are twin primes and what are prime triplets. Twin prime is a prime number that is either 2 less or 2 more than another prime number. Actually, these are the pairs of prime numbers with a difference of 2. Here you can see in the example, these all are the prime numbers and they have difference of 2. ऐसे prime numbers का पेयर जिनमें सिर्फ 2 नंबर्स का डिफरेंस हो, ऐसे पेयर्स को हम ट्विन प्राइम्स कहते हैं. So 3, 5 is a pair with a difference of 2 numbers. 5 and 7 is another pair of prime numbers. 11, 13 and so on. There are so many pairs of twin primes. Now let's discuss what are prime triplets. It is a set of 3 prime numbers differing by 2. What does it mean? It means the 3 prime triplets with a difference of 2 forms a prime triplet. Here in this example you can see these 3 numbers are the prime numbers and they are differing with 2. You would be amazed to know this, that there exist only three numbers which is a prime triplet. So this is the only set of prime triplet that exist.
I hope you all liked the explanation. If this video is beneficial for you and you learned something, so like it, share it and subscribe my channel.